Stop trying to fix him, do this instead. You can't fix a man who doesn't want to fix himself. You lose yourself in the process of trying, and more often than not, you push him away, and then the whole thing ends going downhill. Research from Stanford states that trying to get someone else to change and forcing them to do things that they don't want to do drains the person faster than anything else. In this video, I'll show you why trying to fix someone else never works and what to do instead. Number 1, understand this. A man's growth must be his own choice. This is not about inspiring him to love you harder. What you need to know is that change rooted in guilt or resentment doesn't last and backfires. When growth is a choice, it's real. If it's not a choice, it's temporary and it won't last. Watch what he does for his behaviors. Does his action link with what he actually says he's going to do? Does his words match with his action? Is he congruent with what he's saying he's going to do? If he says he's going to change, ask yourself, is he taking that decision because he wants to do it, or am I making him do it? The key that we're going to get to here is you want to be able to influence your partner without telling them what to do. That's the secret sauce that we're trying to get to here. Number 2, stop confusing potential with actual reality. This is not about seeing the good man that he can be. This traps you in hope and a reality that does not exist. So how do you change this? You have to stop wasting years waiting for someone that may not arrive. Ask yourself, if nothing changed about him, would I still want to be with him? And if that's the answer, that is yes, then over time you can influence transformation. But if the answer is no, that if he didn't change anything about him, then you've got your answer whether you should stay or go. Number 3, set standards, not ultimatums. This is not about threatening to leave. Men respect quiet strength more than loud demands. So how do you change this? You protect your peace and show him that love is earned, not demanded. What do you do to get this? Calmly state what your boundaries are. Consistency and respect are something that I need in order to feel emotionally safe. I cannot be in a relationship with someone that cannot respect that. Back it up with the actions that you consistently do. If you want someone that's going to be truthful and honest, you want someone that's going to be confident, then you have to be those things too. Because you can't attract the equivalent if you're not those same values. 4, focus on alignment and not fixing. This is not about fixing him to match you. True partnership is about alignment, not dragging someone across the finish line. So how do you change this? You shift from can I fix him to are we already moving in the same direction? So what to do instead? Watch for patterns of overpromising, because relationships should feel like partnership, not parenting. 5, protect your well-being at all costs. This is not about becoming cold or heartless. This is about you being able to prioritize your emotional boundaries, heal faster, and love better. The goal is so that you don't lose yourself in the process. So what do you do to do this? Set yourself a personal rule. If loving you costs myself, then maybe it's too expensive. Remember, you're not here to raise a man, save a man, or beg a man to become someone he's not ready to be. You're here to build with someone who's already building themselves. Hit that subscribe for the next video. 4 signs he's not emotionally safe for you, even though he says, I love you.